Afternoon, folks. I'm going to show you on mine, if I can do it, is to change this one. This bulb's gone. I think both bulbs are exactly the same. I'll tell you what they are when I get it out, and I know definitely. I have bought a couple of bulbs. Fiat Ducato, yeah, 2016, 130 multi-jet, professional. Open the passenger door, bonnet latch, back around the front. Underneath here, lift the bonnet up. There should be a lever about halfway. Okay, just support him like that. Undo this, put him in the bonnet up there, like so, and that's it. So now what we've got to do is get this cluster's got to come out. There's no way you get in to the bulb behind here or this one. It's this one that's gone. It just popped in the morning. My lad, ex-mechanic, and he says you're going to need some torque screwdriver kit to get that one fully out and that one fully out. It does not affect the alignment of the unit whatsoever. To get to them the best way, he said there's only one set of wires holding it all in. Is this one here that can stay connected. This side's a little bit different. You probably could get to them quite comfortably. You don't have to move that, I do not know. So this is the passenger side, and this is the driver's side. All right, in the UK, if anybody's interested. Right, so without further ado, we're going to get a torque set, and we're going to get the right one to fit this, and I'll tell you what it is. I'm going to get these undone, and then I'll probably put a WD-40 on them afterwards, just to make sure that they stay nice and loose. Not loose as in loose, but loose as in easy to remove next time. Now this was bought to me. The only trouble is it just keeps falling apart. So you've got torque sets, and you've got what we call Allen key sets in the UK. What we're looking at, I'm thinking we're looking at maybe, what is this? Can you see that? Let me have a quick look. T30. Is that right? That was a good guess. That was easy as well, wasn't it? Same with this one up here. Oh, there we go. Right, so all we're doing is undoing these. Now you don't want to watch me do this, so I'll come back to you in a sec, and we'll see how easy this job actually is. Okay, catch you in a second. Okay, number one out. And if you can see down there, but this is quite a long one, so once you've got him out, it's what it looks like, and there's the hole. You can see it down there. Right, and my lad says what you have to do now is you snap it to the right for it to come out. I don't mean snap it as in snap it, but you have to sort of give it a good yank this way. And I'm holding the camera, so let's see if I can do this. Let me try and get a tripod. Let me try without a tripod. Oh, there you go. It means just slide it, and then that's it. We've got access to it. Look, you can undo that if you wish, but I don't think you need to. All right, let's have a quick look. So we pull the cover off. Which one is it? This one. There we go. Oh, there he is. You can see that. Let's see if I can get that the other side. Hold on 1 second. And there it is. So pull the wires off. There's no initial clips or springs. What he said was you just get a pair of pliers and pull it out. Let's try it by hand. Or is that a clip there? Let me have a look. Okay, what he said was they're spring loaded, so they just clip into place. So I'm going to grab the bolt. Oh, and that was it. You just pull it out. There's no springs. There's no. Well, it's clipped in, but it's self clipped in with just preloaded springs by the look of it. And that's it. Right, let's see if I got the right ones in the packet. I think they were called H7s or something. Let's have a look. Oh, you better make sure you got the right ones. Well, I might put the headlights on, just double check. Does it say what they are? Oh, can you see that? At the top. Oops, just focus that in. See across? That little bit of wire going up on the left. I'm right in full focus here. And then there's a bit across the top. It's snapped and gone, it's blown. New one. Old one. Okay, to put the new one in, just put it in, line it up with the top like so. And I'm going to have to put my hand on there and push. And that's it. You just push it in. Make sure the clip's at the top, the little tab at the top. That's it. Put them back on. Like that. And then put the cover back on. Put it back into place. Just sitting a little bit high, so what you do is push it in and that's it, we're done. Back into place. Put the screws back in and I'll test it in a second. Okay, and just before I'm going to put it all and tighten it all down, I'm just going to test it first, okay? So let's have a quick look. Oh, that was me. That's the side light, so I might need the ignition for the other one. Just have a quick look. Side lights are on. You have to have the ignition on for the big lights, of course. So yes. And yes, they're H7s, by the way. If I was interested, definitely H7s. Let's just try main beam. There you go. There we go. I bought two and they cost altogether about £6 for the pair. Not each, for the pair. I thought it was reasonable. Okay, yeah, I'm just screwing this back in now. All done. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that, and so would the channel. I'll keep doing them if you keep watching them. It's simple as that. Take care, and we will definitely... Oh yeah, by the way, notification... Well, where are we? Subscribe button is down here. Notification bell if you want to see more upcoming videos. I would really appreciate that. Take care. Love you guys loads, and we will catch you in the next one. All the best.